Ate, live here alone to our house.
Yo, what's up mga pale? For today's video, magpapayak muna tayo ng bata kasi ngayong araw, aalis nga kami, papunta kami ng peryaan. Sabi ko kay Suin, iiwanan namin siya, kaya tingnan nyo, iyak ng iyak. Matagal na kasi siya nag-aaya dun sa peryaan na yun at sabi ko, kami lang ang pupunta, si Yayay, si mami niya, at saka ako, hindi siya isasama, iiwanan namin siya sa bahay.
Wear your dress, we will go outside, we will go to many toys. Many foods. We will live here, Ate Suyin, ha? Live here. Ay, wow! We will go to many foods. We will buy foods. Ate, live here alone to our house.
You want to go with us? You want? Say to daddy.
Hey, you don't love me. You don't love me. You said you don't love me.
You love daddy? Love? You love daddy? Huh?
You said you don't love me. I will get the car na. I will get the car. I will get the car. Ay, you said you don't love me, ah. Oh, you don't love me? Oh, say to me, I love you. Oh.
Daddy, I love you. Daddy. Go, basta.
Oh, go, say to me. Oh, you didn't say, oh, you can say, ha? Yeah, let's go. Oh, say to me. Okay, wala. We will go to, I will get the key and we will go to, Perya. You want Perya? Yeah, you want Perya? Wow, yay, we'll go Perya. Oh, I said, say to me, I love you. You didn't say it. You can say it. Oh. Oh, say to me. Love me, come here. I want to hear. I can't hear you. Oh, what do you want to say to daddy? You love me. Oh, kiss me. Okay, we will go to Perya. Kiss two lips only. Oh, louder. I can't hear it. Ayan. Where are we? To? Jollibee. Are you happy? Happy na daw siya, happy. Happy na daw.
Why? Why are you happy? Why are you happy? Why are you happy?
Why are you happy? Why are you happy?
You want to go to Perya? Maputik doon yan eh.
You want to go to Perya? Oh, you also. Here, pasaway. Anak-anak ko na pasaway. Oh, hi! Very good. Wow! Where are you? Oh, yay! Go! Right! Hindi mo kasi dyan lagay dito kahit dito sa gitna. Ayan. Whoop! Wow! Yeah. Are you happy? Ay. Ano? Why? Look ate, oh. Very good. Very good. Dahol. Ano? Yay, go. Yay, go. Good. Hello. Like that? Oh, hold. Daddy will hold you. Ay! Wait!